Hi friends, I'm Sachut and I'm from Isaac. So today in this class we will solve another problem. So the problem is we have to run the sum of the numbers in the loop. So we have to run the sum of the numbers in the loop. So which means, for example, so let's take 4. So like take a 4 as the input, and so we have to take 4 inputs. So this is the user input, how many inputs that the user have to take. So I'm telling user to take 4 inputs. So what is that? 1, sorry. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the inputs 1, 2, 3, 4. So what should we have to do? So first we have to write 1, and after that 1 plus 2, right? First number is 1, second number is 2, and 1 plus 2, 3. And 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. So this should be the output. I hope you understand. So 1 plus 2, first 1 is 1, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus, yeah, so 3 plus 3, 6. Yeah, 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. Yeah, so 1, 3, 6, and 6 plus 4, 10. So this should be the output. So 1, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10. See like this. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10. So this should be the output. So how can we achieve this program? I hope you understand the problem statement. Let's write the code. So import java.util.star. Scanner sc is equal to new scanner system.in. So first of all, we have to take the input sc.nextin, and after that, we have to do the iteration. So for the iteration, we have to use for loop. So where it has to start, it should start from 0 and it should be less than n. Why we are writing less than n? Because it is starting from 0. It's not starting from 1. If we start with 1, then we will have to write equal to n. Because 0, so if we start with 0, we have to write less than n. And if we start with 1, we have to write equal to n. So I hope you understand why I'm writing less than. Because 0 is an extra number, right? So every time we start, every number starts with 1, but 0 is an extra number. That's why I'm removing the last number. So I'm writing less than n. I hope you understand why I'm writing less than. So in that, we have to take n user inputs. Value is equal to sc.nextInt. So n is equal to sc.nextInt. I hope I understand why I'm taking, because each and every time I have to, if I is equal to 0, I have to take one input, and I is equal to 1, I have to take one input, I is equal to 2, I have to take another input, I is equal to 3, until n, we have to take inputs. So that's why I'm writing here. And after that, so, and after that, I have to take some variable, because we have to add each and every time, right? So I'm giving 0. So why I'm giving 0? So any number which adds with 0 will give that number only, right? Any number which adds with 0. For example, if we add 0 plus 1, what will be the output? 1, right? 0 plus 1, 1. So any number, for example, if you take 2, you will get 2 only, right? So that's why I'm using 0. I hope you understand why I'm writing 0. So I will write sum is equal to, why I'm writing sum? I will store the resultant value once. I'll write the whole statement and I will explain. So what I'm doing, see, I'm storing what is some value 0, right? So here it will be 0. Here it will be 0, right? And here what is the value? So what user will give, that value will be stored here, right? So each and every time I'm adding 0 with that value, and total sum again I'm storing in the sum variable only. So first value is 1, example. So 0 plus 1, 1. So whole sum will be stored into the sum, right? And it will be updated 0 to 1. And after that, the sum value will be now 1. And the value will be, next value will be 2. So, and 1 plus 2, 3. So 3 value will be stored in the sum. So here, value will be updated to 3. And after that, 3 plus 3. So each and every time, the loop will be iterated. I hope you understand what I'm doing. So I will remove these numbers. For example purpose, I wrote these numbers. That's it. So I will write the sum value. So I will write print. I will print each and every number in the same line only. So I hope you understand what I'm doing. So first I have taken the user input. So user will tell how many inputs you have to take. So let's run this program and I will explain. So there is no errors. For first statement is what? User need to give some inputs. I've given 4. And after that, user need to give 4 inputs. So see here, this statement. This statement will ask the inputs. How many inputs? 4 inputs. This loop will start from 0 to 3. Up to 3. Because 0, 1, 2, 3. Total 4. You have to count 0 also. 0, 1, 2, 3. So how many? 4. So 4, up to 4 it will take. And each and every time, this value will ask the user inputs. So I'll give 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm giving 4 inputs. So what would be the output? See here, 1, 3, 6, 10. So each and every time the values get updated and it will be stored in here. And every time the value will be updated and stored in here. And each time I'm printing the sum. So I'm printing the sum value. That's it. After changing the value, I'm using the sum value. And I'm using the plus as the concatenation. And this is for space. So the space is there, right? 1 and 3 between some space, 3 and 6 between some space. So for that, I'm using this. So if you don't do this, it will not get the space. For example, 4, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4. See here, I'm not getting this space. So that's where we have to use only one space. So when you run the program, you will get space. See here, I'm getting space. That's it, friends. I hope if this video is helpful for you. So if you find this video is helpful for you, please like it and please share it to your friends so that they can be benefited from this video. And please ring the bell icon. So then only you will get the notification, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.